Now let us restore this tub. So in this video we will see how to close these holes. This is the holes for being making the can into a tank. So we will fit with this and then we have to close this without leaking. So let's do it. So we have placed one side over here and then the other side we have to tie it. So on the inner side we are fitting.
So we should check is it leaking or not. If it is leaking we should close the leak. So it is leaking over here. Can you spot this? This is not a problem over the dummy. We can close it. So we need to close the can very well. So let's do it.
So scroll the dummy area with the Saffron tape. So over here slowly scroll fully and somewhat thick. Fully thick is not needed. So it will be enough. Then now we can scroll the dummy so that it will not be leaking in the dummy. This is easy. And then for the tank we need to seal the inner and the outer area. Let's go. After draining we have made the tank to be dried and then now we can now surrounding the wall we need to scratch and then we will cover with M-seal to arrest the water from escape. Scratch well in outside and also inside. Let's do inside. So now we have completely cleaned over this area. Let's go inside.
Cleaning the inner area. I will show you after cleaning. Unevenness should not be there. Every place should be equal flat so that our paste will be easily sticked. So now we have cleaned the inner area very well and then slightly scrub with slightly dust the area with the cloth
And also over the outside. Now we have fitted strongly. Now we can fill it with M-seal. By M-seal and then we have to mix the both. Let's mix it. Sorry, this is a white M-seal. Can you see the difference? Now we need to mix well. Mix it very well for 2 minutes minimum so that the color change may occur. Can you see the difference? So now we have mixed completely. Now we can fill in the gap. Take the M-seal and then paste throughout from top to bottom around the areas where there is gap. The white is fast drying material, so only we are using the white material, white M-seal, that's it. So I will fill and show you. So now we have pasted very well in the outer area. So let's paste in the inner area. The main thing in the pasting is the sides, which needs to be very well coated.
The inner area also need to be
very much better in coating. Otherwise there may be chance to leakage. At last, do very nice pressing over the edges. So now we have made clearly pasted over the area. So after pasting we should wait for 1 day and then we can check with leaking or not. So now after 1 day pasting this M-seal, now we are going to fill with water and check whether is it leaking or not. So let's go. So now we have filled with water, so let's see the bottom whether it is leaking or not. So let's go. See, yesterday there is a leak, but after pasting this there is no leakages at the bottom. Can you spot this clearly? There is no single drop of leakages at the bottom. So this is what our restoration video regarding this tank. Thank you friends. See you on the next video with other things.